Boost Mobile's Hotspot feature lets you share your phone's internet connection with other devices like laptops or tablets. Your hotspot data is drawn from either a shared pool within your plan or a dedicated hotspot allowance. Most Boost plans allocate a specific amount for hotspot tethering. Exceeding this amount can lead to throttling, meaning significantly slower speeds or overage charges, typically around $10 per 1 gigabyte. Knowing your plan's hotspot data limit is the first step to managing your usage effectively. Keep track of your data usage through the Boost mobile app or website to avoid surprises. If you're running low on hotspot data, Boost Mobile offers several ways to get more. The quickest solution is using add-ons. Boost offers short-term boosts like a 5 gigabyte data pack for just $10. These can be purchased easily through the Boost mobile app. For a longer-term solution, consider upgrading your plan. Moving to a premium plan increases your monthly hotspot data allowance. Upgrading may involve a one-time fee, but it provides more allowance. Downgrading is free but resets your data cycle. Keep an eye out for promotions. Boost often offers temporary free hotspot data boosts, especially during back-to-school season. Consider these options based on your immediate and long-term hotspot data needs.